Here are 3 sneaky ways banks legally trap you when you apply for a loan. Trap number 1, the flat rate illusion. A bank will heavily advertise what looks like an incredibly low 10% flat interest rate on a personal loan. Do not fall for this. Because you pay interest on the original total amount for the entire term, that 10% flat rate is actually equivalent to a brutal 16% reducing balance rate. Always ask for the reducing rate. Trap number 2, stretching the term. If you tell a car salesman you want a lower monthly payment, they will just stretch your loan from 4 years to 7 years. It lowers your monthly bill, but you end up paying thousands of dollars more in total interest, keeping you poorer for longer. Trap number 3, prepayment penalties. If you get a bonus at work and try to pay your loan off early to save on interest, many banks will actually hit you with a massive penalty fee. They are literally punishing you for being financially responsible because they want your interest payments. Subscribe if you want to stop getting played by the banking system.